Oh wow, this is so fun. Mustered the courage to ride ahead, but it's hard to hold the clutch, it's hard to shift, it's hard to brake. This is surreal. Wow. Bro, that looks amazing.
Time to check out from Jaipur.
Okay, we are almost ready. I think it took 20, yeah, 20 minutes to pack all this on the bike and wear the winter socks, woolen gloves. I wore the thick Quechua socks. I wore a padded Decathlon jacket. I have inner thermals. Let's see if all of this would allow us to do like 100 kmph. We are not getting a proper seal on the left hand, so I think that would be a problem. Let's go. It is going to be fun. As per Google, the sunrise is at 6:30. It shows we'll reach by 6:50. I think it's fine. Not feeling any cold at all as of now. We are 73 kilometers away, so even if we do an average 60, we will reach in 1 hour 15 minutes. But this shows 2 hours, so there is definitely some other parameters or factors that we should be mindful of that would delay us. I forgot the part where this is a like ghat, so it would actually take us 2 hours. I forgot. Even the balaclava I'm wearing has like a thermal thing, so I got it from Decathlon as well. That is doing a really good job. It feels itchy if you wear it during the day, but now it's the hero. There are no reflectors on the road, there is no white lines reflecting, so I should keep looking at Google Maps to understand which direction the road is leaning, which is not great. The road is comfortable enough to do 70-80, but I'm doing 60-70 because if there is some sharp turn and I take a bit more radius than I should and I end up going a bit to the other side, I cannot be on the mercy of a trucker to brake. Yeah, why take risk? This is already on the adventure scale, so I always say that, right? When you're doing an adventure, it is on a fine line, and if you slip even a little bit to the side, you go to the risk part of the adventure. Handlebar, holding the handlebar is giving a little cold to the glove, and even though the inner glove is woolen, it is still getting transferred to the glove. So I'm feeling a bit of cold there. I'll give you side, bro, if you want to go. Just go and I'll just follow you. Keep moving. Yep. Whatever is the speed you are doing, I'm matching. Stuff got pretty interesting now. It started fogging here. I lifted half my visor up to allow me to see better. If it gets colder than this, I'm going to lift it up completely for better visibility. Oh wow, this is so fun. Can't say shit. I lifted my visor up completely, so there would be a lot of wind noise, but bear with me. This is a good adventure. Know the traffic rule pundits would be watching this video and scolding me, telling that is not how hazard lights are to be used. They should only be put on when you are being a hazard, when you are stopped on the road, when your vehicle is damaged. But everyone is using it here as a way to improve, increase their visibility, and it works. And everyone has the same notion here, so I think it's fine. Like all these rules and stuff, I should actually do that, but all these rules and stuff are to make driving better for everyone. It's not just book rules that are like you should blindly follow this whatever happens kind of a shit, so it's fine. I don't know, I want to stop and let him go and then do this on my own because Now I feel like I'm just following a car. Let me overtake this car. I didn't actually overtake, I'm still following that car. Deomali 60 kilometers written on that board. This shows 51 kilometers, so we might be going to a wrong place. We should find a signboard or ask people and go to the right place. The fog has increased actually. I was trying to turn on the camera, but it was like sharp turns, zip zip. Like I won't let the handle go until I see a straight switch. Yeah, when such a truck or something comes, the fog is like shining too much and becoming magical kind of. I can see like 15-20 feet. I don't know how much the camera is showing, but I can see like 15-20 feet with the visor off. If I put on the visor, I can see, I can see 15-20 feet straight, but to the left and right it is a bit fogged, like inside the visor and outside the visor, and I can't see. So I'll keep it lifted up. Maybe I should try the other light if that makes any difference. This light, the low beam is white and the high beam is yellow warm kind of so I don't know if that is helping a bit, because with white you can see clearly on the closer side and yellow you can see clearly on the higher beam. So is that combination helping? It is actually, but the fog is reflecting the white light and it is like shining. I am scared of heights usually, but even if I know how deep that is, it doesn't make a very big difference. But from the fog I can tell. We are on a very high place and there is a water body next to this place. Or I might be wrong. We are on a very low place, but there is a water body next to this and it's actually very pretty. Yeah, but if they had reflectors, life would have been very easy on this road. Like the mist is now a bit heavy and it's raining like water. I mustered the courage to overtake this car and go in the front, but once I did it, the fog, like this is some turn and there is this wind coming, so the fog tripled all of a sudden and I couldn't see shit and I gave side again. I like checked twice if I'm high beam or low beam, and it's actually high beam and it looks like I'm on low beam. But I'm really loving the experience. If this car didn't exist and I was alone, that would have been a crazy experience. This is what I'm aiming towards. This is a bridge. Yeah, now it makes sense, right? We are on top of a water body, so the fog has increased. Mustered the courage to ride ahead, but I would agree it was easy going behind the car because that white car body was reflecting a lot of light and it was also illuminating the road. But now I tried all light combinations. White, even though it is not visible to very far distance. Fuck, I can't see shit. I think he is actually helping me. Thank you, dude. If he is going ahead, I'll definitely switch to yellow. On the other side, you could see there is a vehicle coming, but even based on the headlights, you cannot tell how much space should you leave on the road for that vehicle to pass. If you are on the two right side of it, if that is a big truck that has two fog lights in the center, you'll hit it. So yeah, you should be mindful of that as well. still 40 kilometers away on top of this water. So the mist is like circling around the bridge. And when a truck or something comes that has like yellow worm or what is this called, the sodium and halogen lamps, that entire mist fog is getting eliminated and it looks so magical. I love Semiliguda. The cold has got into my fingers. I have that numb pinching pain in my fingers now. It is difficult to press the camera button with that pain. Like I'm not feeling it. This is the road I was asking for. It has that reflectors and you clearly know which way the road is. Okay, way to Deomali. This is going to be ugly. Yeah, I found the bikers midway. They are also going to Deomali. But I have the higher high beam, so I'm leading. Innova guy is back again. They took a different route, we took a different route, but we are back here together. हाय हाय डियोमली पे मिलते हैं I should return the favor. No, they don't want the favor to be returned. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but behind those hills there is a slight reddish orangish light that is appearing. I don't know if that is called the winter line, but that started appearing and I'm like sunrise se pehle jana hai. Yes, I have this advantage. You win when there is only fog. If it is an open road without fog, I am gonna overtake you once again. That is a really good car in the hands of a really good driver. I am unable to match him at all. But this playfully overtaking each other and is a lot helpful. Without it, I would feel all the neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain that this cold is giving me. Fingers though is lost. He's just disappearing at every turn. I'm putting on my visor to talk from main road to Ghat rails now. I don't know if the car went this way, but I really think they went this way. I thought this is not the road and went uphill, like went onto the main road. If this connects to the same road, I'll be so angry on this. Did that Innova Cresta jump through all of this? I don't think so. Got me through this muddy road for nothing and got me on the same track. Definitely think the Innova didn't take this route. I hope they didn't take this route and still be that fast. It's hard to hold the clutch, it's hard to shift, it's hard to brake. My nose is running. Are you all seeing it? This is surreal. Wow. In a way, I'm happy I'm on the road. Wow, wow, wow. Seeing that? That looks awesome. Definitely, there would have been a different route like this for cars. I don't think everyone came by that route. 8 kilometers upside, okay. Tourism department has put a really good road. The problem with a good road is it would be very long, very easy, very far. I'm still 4 kilometers away. 20 or 30 for this. I saw some cars are coming this way. Wow, there is a beautiful cloud line coming there. They wanted this to be off-road fun or what? Why didn't they make this a good road? Bro, that looks amazing. Wow, wow, wow. We are perfectly on time for sunrise. Wow. That looks amazing. An amazing sunrise. 6:30 it is. Let me know if you don't think that is amazing. Hashtag sunkissed. I don't know if that is visible in the camera, but sunkissed. Bye bye. We met our Innova friend. He is a pro driver. So this is not the actual peak, that is the actual peak. I was going to go, but then I saw this cloud line and I'm waiting for it to be